In this video, we'll guide you through the process of verifying your FanDuel account. It's a crucial step for a seamless experience. Account verification is vital. It ensures that your information is protected and that you can safely enjoy all the features FanDuel offers. To verify your account, you'll need a government-issued ID, proof of residency, and your social security number. Let's go through the step-by-step process to submit these documents. First, log into your account and navigate to the verification section. After submission, you can track your verification status in your account settings. You'll receive updates via email too. If you face any issues, common problems include unclear uploaded documents or mismatched information. Here's how to troubleshoot. Typically, verification can take up to 48 hours. Plan accordingly to ensure you're ready for game day. Now, let's address some frequently asked questions about account verification to clear up any remaining doubts you might have. Thank you for watching. For additional resources, visit FanDuel's Help Center. Happy gaming!